Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to change Facebook page templates. Okay, first things first, open up your Facebook app. Look for the three dots icon on your page then. For some users, the option might be displayed as templates right next to Edit Page on the side panel. So just click on Templates and you can choose the desired template for your Facebook page. However, keep in mind that not all users might have the Switch to Classic option as Facebook frequently updates its features and user interface. If you don't see the option to switch back to the Classic version or access the templates directly, it means you are currently on the most updated version of Facebook, and the template change option might not be available to you at this time. As Facebook continues to evolve, features might change or become accessible in the future. For those who can find the templates option at this time, we hope that Facebook will provide a solution or bring back the option in the future updates. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now change Facebook page templates. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.